Tips for regular home window maintenance. No matter what type of windows you have, taking care of them will improve their energy efficiency. How do I maintain my home windows? Proper window care reduces drafts throughout the home, which helps control humidity and leads to a healthier living space. It also extends the window's lifespan, helps prevent water damage to your home, and even improves your health and well-being. Clean and lubricate the window tracks. Wipe down the windows once a month with a rag. Twice a year, deep clean them by washing and lubricating the window tracks. Use warm water and a sponge brush to get rid of grime and debris. Dirty tracks have mildew and organic matter buildup, which attracts pests like ants and spiders. Watch out for cracks. Cracks in windows lead to air drafts, which put extra strain on your heating and cooling systems. Experts recommend checking the windows at least twice a year for cracks. Caulk and weather strip. Caulking and weather stripping can also help seal cracks, preventing costly drafts. There are several types of weather stripping to choose from, including foam tape, adhesive-backed stripping, corner seals, and felt strips. Repair window damage immediately. Failing to fix a damaged window makes your home much less energy efficient and much less secure. During the warmer months, it can leave your home feeling hot and stuffy, even with the AC going wide open. Anytime you notice window damage, it's best to hire a professional window repair company as soon as possible. Taking care of your home's windows is a wise investment that saves you money in the long run. If you need help with window care in Mesa, give Raben Glass a call. We offer installation, repair, and maintenance services for home windows, glass tabletops and shelves, custom mirrors, and shower enclosures. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.